Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Tali, and I'm going to help the student who is preparing 9th grade DIM exam. I already explained in first two videos some questions. Now it is third video, and let's start. So for the numbers A 376, A equals to 376, and B equals to 254. Find the remainder when the product of A times B, which we are talking about 376 multiplied by 254. Find the remainder when this number is divisible by 5, divided by 5. So guys, for this question, you need to divide one by one. 376, we are talking about remainder, right? We don't care about what is the answer or whatever it is. And the IM exam never asks from you multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number because you have time issue. So divide one by one. First of all, guys, divide 376, which is A, by 5. As you know, which number is divisible by 5? Last digit must be divisible to rule for 5. Last digit must be what? Either 0 or 5, right? If it finishes with 0 or 5, so this number is divisible by 5. 376 divided by 5. It's not right, but if it's going to be 375, it will divide by 5. You don't care about what is it, but you know that it will divide by 5. In this case, what is remainder? It is 6, but it must be 5, right? The last digit. So remainder is 1 from A. Now let's look at B. 254 divided by 5, right? It must be what? End with 0 or 5. So 250 is divisible by 5 easily. You don't care about what is the answer, but it is. So what is remainder? It must finish with 0, but it finished 4. So remainder is this number 4. Okay. In this case, you don't care about 376 times 254 divided by 5. You care for these two remainders. 1 times 4 divided by 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 divided by 5. Remainder will be, let me write in here, 4 divided by 5. Remainder will be, the number is 0. Remainder is 4 because 4 is smaller than 5, right? 4 is smaller if the number which you get is smaller than divisor. So this is your remainder, okay? But what about if the question will be like this? Let's say remainder, you got remainders, let's say 4, and another remainder is 3. It's for example, guys. It's not about related to this first question. We have done first question, remainder is 4, so answer is C. But what about if the remainders will be 4 and 3, right? Then you will multiply 4 by 3. 4 times 3 equals to 12. 12 divided by 5 is what? 2. Actually, you don't care about whatever it is, but you know that it must finish with 0 or 5. So 10 is divisible by 5, right? So remainder is 2, okay? I hope you understand this one. So let's go to the next question. As I said, in the IM exam, the question will never ask from you just this kind of long multiplication. If you will see, it means that you have to do some simplifying stuff. So guys, before the exam, you must know some formulas. One of the formula is A square minus B square. What is it? A minus B, A plus B. In every exam, almost in every exam, you will see this formula. So 7.2 square minus 1.3 square. Okay, it's that formula. Plus 8.5 times 2.5, which I didn't like this calculation. 5.3 square minus 3.2 square. Then let's go. 7.2 square minus 1.3 square is going to what? A square minus B square, right? Look, I'm doing this one. 7.2 square minus 1.3 square. It's going to be 7.2 minus 1.3 times 7.2 plus 1.3. Okay. Okay, then continue to write the question, which is plus 8.5 times 2.5 over another formula in the denominator. Another formula in the denominator, this one. I'm writing it 5.3 minus 3.2, 5.3 plus 3.2. Then let's go. It equals to 7.2 minus 1.3 is 5.9, right? 5.9 multiplied by 7.2, 8.5. Please, if you have any problem with calculation, do it like this. 7.2 minus 1.3, like 12 minus 3 is 9, 6 minus 1 is 5.9, or adding is the same method, plus 8.5 times 2.5 over 5.3 minus 3.2 is 2.1, multiply by 8.5. Now I do like this, 8.5 from both of them, right? This 8.5 out. So what it will be, 8.5, whatever is left you will write inside of the bracket with plus sign. If it's going to minus, you will write minus. Okay, 5.9 plus 2.5 over 2.1 times 8.5. So 8.5 and 8.5 will eliminate it. 5.9 plus 2.5 is 8.4 over 2.1, which 84 over 21 is 4. That's it. Okay guys, never ever just multiply 7.2, find 7.2 square and 5.3 square, then calculation, no need. In the IM exam, their aim do not to see your calculation, their aim to see, do you know this formula as 9th grade student or not? Let's go. Question 3. Okay, I have to be somewhere here. Find the angle between bisectors of vertical opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So guys, it means that two lines intersect, right? Two lines intersect and there is a vertically opposite angles. What are they? For example, this and these are two acute angles and vertically opposite to each other. Or this and these two opposite and vertically opposite angles, I mean two vertically opposite angles to each other, which they are obtuse angles. So find angle between the bisector which divide the angles to equal part. Bisector of vertically opposite angles. Let's say vertically opposite angles are these. Okay, so bisector means divide equally. So what we get? Straight line. What is this straight line? What is this? Oh, it's again different thing. Okay, what is this angle? Yes, 180 degree. It is straight angle, straight line, which is straight angle. So answer is C. Okay, you need to just draw. If you will draw, you will see what the question asks from you, especially for geometry question. Generally, when you are doing math, you have to write something. Write something. Sometimes instead of our brain, our hands will work. Okay. So next question is, here it is. Okay. Find the sum of degrees of polynomial and monomial. First of all, degree means that the highest power, okay, the leading degree. Then you can expand this brackets. I generally do not do, but I want to show you. So what is it? Negative 2x squared 2y plus 3xy plus 5. You can multiply one by one. As you know, you will get negative 4x squared y minus 6x cubed y and minus 10x squared, minus 10x squared. Okay, so I have to find the leading power, the highest power. 2, 1, sum is 3, 3, 1, sum is 4, and this is x squared, this is 2. So which one is the leading highest power is 4. So degree of this polynomial, degree is 4. Highest one, degree equals to 4. Then let's do the 4a cubed b squared. 4a cubed b squared is just, it's already simplest form, so degree will be, we have to add up the power 3 and 2 is going to be 5, so degree will be equals to 5. Sum of degrees of monomial and polynomial, so 4 plus 5 equals to, why my handwriting is going to be like this, 9. So answer is A. Okay, answer is A. The next question. Guys, what I advise to you, if you want to just for last days, right, you are preparing for the IM exam, what you have to do. For example, now question 5. Just pause the video. Okay, pause the video, do it by yourself. Then start the video and check did you write correct or not. And also I advise look at my solution method as well. Maybe I will show you the easiest method. Okay, if the divisor, okay, dividend divided by divisor equals to quotient, and you have remainder. Okay, remainder. I don't know why today it's writing like this. Some Egypt numbers, kinda. Neyse. Dividend, it's just generally formula. Okay. The question asks find dividend. Dividend, you don't know what is it. Divide by 5. Divisor is 5. Quotient is 12, and remainder will be 3. So I have to find which number divided by 5 is 12 and remainder is 3. This is the just logically you can find it 63, but generally the method is 12 multiplied by 5 and plus 3. Okay, 63. This is the way. Okay, so next question. Again, I advise you stop the video recording and do it by yourself. After that, you can do it, you can watch my video recording. Find the sum degrees of polynomial and its constant term. Degree of polynomial, we have to find the highest degree, right? Let's do negative 3x cubed plus 2x plus 4 to the power of 4. 90% of 9th grade students can't expand this bracket with binomial stuff that actually they don't need as well. You can do step by step. 2x plus 1 cube. Well guys, what we have to do? Negative 3x cubed plus 2x plus 4 to the power of 4 times 2x plus 1 cube. I have to look one by one. Degree of polynomial, right? Degree is the highest one. As you know, if you will multiply 3 by 4, this degree will be the highest one, right? Degree. It is something with x to the power of 12. This 12 is the highest degree. What about in here? As you know, it is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So it is multiply x to the power of 3. It's going to be x to the power of 15. I don't care about the coefficients. Okay, there's a coefficients as well, but I didn't use that. So this is 15. After that, the questions ask find sum of degrees. I find degree. Degree is what? 15. And constant term is the number which is constant, as you know from the name. 4 to the power of 4, constant term. 4 to the power of 4, as you know, 4, and 1 cube. It is multiplying sign, that's why multiply by 1 cube. 4 to the power of 4 is 16, 256. 256. What the question asks? Sum of them. So 256 plus 15 is going to be 271. Hope you find this video useful for you guys, and send this video to your friends who is preparing 9th grade DIM exam. Ask your questions if you have in the comment. Good luck everyone, try to do your best and use pen.